Well,
I'm expecting good numbers from them. I'm expecting positive. So I don't call it specific numbers, but expecting good results there.
Is that a Walmart story or a consumer confidence story?
I think it's both, actually. I'm more positive than most about retail and about going forward, quite oddly, for several reasons. And Walmart is in that category for me. JC Pennney, not so much, but Walmart definitely.
And when you talk macro with retail, I mean, you talk consumer confidence, and then you talk to Amazon. I mean, it's just those are the two big issues.
Absolutely. And for retail, I think that it's, power to the ones who have identified their customers and what they want. And if they're doing the same old thing like some of the department stores, they're clearly losing and will. And one of the biggest things right now is the divide between the traditional stores and the way they do business, along with Amazon and other digital retailers who are getting very, very big. We've got some in cosmetics, in sports merchandise, and they're approaching billion-dollar businesses, and they're going to take a big piece out of these publicly traded companies.
Ken, are there retailers, you think, traditional retailers, who are doing well when it comes to online too, kind of blending the two bases?
Yes. So I think that in terms of department stores, I really like Nordstrom, Macy's, and Kohl's, in spite of what's happened in the past day or so. I see those as being very positive going forward. I like, although it's not the time for it yet, I really like Canada Goose. I like Nike, Adidas, and I like Steve Madden. So I think that all of those really provide a nice balance of in-store and digital.
I mean, I ask this just because Target has some new offerings. Walmart now lets you pick up your groceries. You order in advance, you pick them up right in the parking lot. Target's doing the same thing, but I tried their new offering that they have with Shipt yesterday, SHIPT. Where it's basically a personal shopper. You can get delivery the same day.
Absolutely.
And, it came within a few hours. Which, that's almost competing with Amazon Prime.
Absolutely.
In fact, it got there faster than Amazon Prime would have at my house.
It's a good story for you. It's been kind of inconsistent, but in theory is a great idea, and I'm sure that whatever little kinks they have will be worked out.
Inconsistent meaning it doesn't work everywhere? Or
correct.
Inconsistent
Yes,
just from time
just in some surveys that we've done across the country.
Got it.
Yes.
Thanks.
All right. So in terms of Macy's and what you think of as conventional old line, retailers that anchor malls or whatever, what happened yesterday? Are we going to see it again with some of the others?
I think that what happened yesterday is not consistent with what's going forward. We've really been out there, to stores, looking at digital, and a combination of talking to customers. And basically with Macy's, where their strengths are consistent with what the customer wants right now. So we see it being very positive going forward. And yesterday, I can't explain why everybody sold off, but I think it may have been the concern about the traditional retailers and where are they going, and is this the same old, same old?
Yeah. I mean, I'm a big fan of Steve Madden, too. I love the latest football that you can play is so real.
John Madden? Steve is the shoes?
That's John. That's John. You knew.
Different guy.
Confusing your Maddens.
Have you got any of the...
Do I wear Steve Maddens? I don't wear any Steve Maddens. I don't.
Did they wear any on Sex and the City? Could you?
No,
those were
They went way luxury.
Jimmy Choo's, right?
Yes.
Jimmy Choo's. We have some of those.
You have some of those?
We buy them one. It's weird because we buy them one at a time. We can't. One costs the same as a normal pair of anything else.
That's more than a normal pair of anything else.
That's more than
absolutely. But look at how good you'll look in them. So that's the difference.
It's worth mortgaging the house.
Yes.